Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do the factory reset of your SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 FE. At first, the first way when our screen is responsive is going straight to the settings. Here, go straight to the general management of your phone and tap reset over here. Now, here as you can see we have factory data reset. If you tap that, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete every single thing that is here and enter your pattern or PIN or just lock screen password. That's this first thing that's best for us, and I'd recommend to use this thing because here we can see what's done and what will be done, and I think that it's just safer than using the recovery mode. But if your phone is locked or unresponsive, we can easily do a factory reset using the recovery mode. To do so, hold these two fingers on the power and volume down until your screen goes off. This is the factory soft reset, and now when our screen is off, it will reboot to the normal mode. Then your screen should be responsive. Now we have to turn off our phone, but of course when it comes on. And to do so, hold these two buttons again, tap power off and power off, then draw pattern. And now what you have to prepare is a USB Type-C cable that has the data in it. I mean, has the data transmission. If it doesn't work for you, try changing the cable. Now plug the cable in your phone, and when you plug the cable, hold the power and volume up key in your phone. Now as you can see, we are in the recovery mode, and what we have to do now is to go with the volume down button and navigate straight to the wipe data and factory reset. Click that, click volume down and navigate to the factory data reset. The only thing you have to do is just click here the power button. But I have to remind you that every single data that you store in your phone and is not backed up to the cloud will be deleted here. I do need the data that's on this phone, but it's backed up, so I can show you the factory reset of your phone. Click this power button, and that's it actually. Now click the power button to reboot your system now, and that's all for the factory reset. Now we'll see the initial screen like the phone is brand new. Of course, if the Google account was on your phone and it was logged in, after the reset you will have to log in with that account to pass the factory reset protection. This is a security measure, so be aware that you have to have your Google credentials handy or remove accounts before setting if they intend to pass the phone, if you want to pass the phone to someone else. Now I can unplug my phone from the PC, and this is the initial screen. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.